Lasagna!
Oh, no!
Lasagna! Lasagna! Ayan, dreamer daw. Wala. Magluto na nga lang tayo, guys. Tara na! Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So, this is another cooking vlog. So, our menu for today is lasagna. Yes, lasagna. Or, in our country, we call it baked macaroni. Okay? So, if you want to know on how I am going to prepare this dish, please keep on watching! Hello friendships, and here are the ingredients for our lasagna sauce. So first, we have here the garlic, onion, over there. We have here the mushroom, 1/4 cup olive oil, and we have here 1 tablespoon of salt. So this is a combination of iodized salt and Himalayan salt. I have here 1 tablespoon of ground pepper. Then we also have our carrots and our ground beef. Hence, pasta sauce. Put our oil. Let's saute our onion. Then, our garlic. Then, guys, I will add the mushroom. Then this time, guys, I will add our ground beef. Then I will season it with pepper. Then I will also add our salt. Then I will add 2 cups of warm water. This time, guys, I will add our pasta sauce. Then I'll be also adding tomato sauce. So for our cream, I'll be using 1/4 cup butter, 1/3 cup flour, 2 cans of evaporated milk, and also we have the sweetened milk. Okay, so guys, reminder, you just need to use low fire. So I will put our flour. So now I will add our evaporated milk. And then this time I will add our sweetened milk. So guys, we just keep on mixing until we reach a thicker consistency of our cream. And also avoid using a high fire because it will burn your cream. Okay, so this one is very delicate, so you need to really like use a low fire. So hi guys, it's time for us now to prepare our lasagna. So for me, I'll be using this foil tray. But if you have baking pan, you can also use your baking pan, okay? Guys, I'll be using this one, the instant lasagna sheet. This is from Remo over here. First, I will put a sauce at the bottom part of it. This one. Then spread. I will put our lasagna sheets. So this is how it looks like inside. There. But you can also use rigatoni or other kind of pasta. It's up to you.
and I will put some cream on it. Ayan, cheese overload. Hi guys, our lasagna is now ready to serve. So it's done, guys.
Hi guys! Now our lasagna over here is now cooked. Thank you for watching today's vlog. If you like this video, please don't forget to click that thumbs up button. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And see you again on my next one. Oops! Don't forget to share, guys. Bye!